Bugatti Unveils Chiron Golden Era, a gilded tribute to elegance. Amid the captivating allure of the quail, a motorsports gathering, the grand stage was set for the illustrious debut of the Bugatti Chiron Golden Era. As the veil lifted, we were granted an exclusive opportunity to engage with the visionary behind this opulent creation, Frank Hale, the director of design at Bugatti. Conceived under the skilled hands of Bugatti's sur-mesure customization division, the Golden Era stands as a resplendent celebration of the brand's most iconic automobiles, each stroke of genius etched directly onto the canvas of the car's body. Embracing a bespoke color palette named D'Or, the Chiron Golden Era emanates a bespoke gold hue, gracefully transitioning into an ombre cascade from the commanding nocturne black adorning the front. Amidst the symphony of dual-tone artistry and captivating sketches, one extraordinary detail commands attention. This marks the maiden appearance of authentic gold embellishments, Hale revealed during a captivating conversation with Motor1.com senior editor Jeff Perez. A historic moment graced the modern era. The Bugatti emblem, bathed in genuine gold accents, becomes a resplendent centerpiece. The verdant leaf on the emblem gracing the red enamel grille badge, along with the Chiron Supersport script elegantly adorning the car's flanks, are meticulously gilded. The enchantment doesn't stop there, as the stylized EB logo on the rear deck is crowned with the regal touch of gold plating. While the sun may be setting on the Chiron's remarkable journey, with its exclusive 500-unit production approaching its culmination, Bugatti's legacy continues to unfold. Echoing the question of whether the Golden Era is the grand finale of special Chiron editions, Hale responds with an enigmatic smile. Time will unveil its secrets. The essence here is that the sur-mesure program, our pinnacle of personalization, embarks on a transcendent odyssey. The resonance of demand for such extraordinary creations is palpable for Hale. Part of the allure lies in the notion that bespoke projects like the Golden Era evolve into heirlooms. Cherished by connoisseurs and destined to transcend generations, they are meant to be timeless. Hale muses, as if the Golden Era itself whispered tales of legacy and magnificence, as the Chiron Golden Era takes its rightful place in the annals of automotive excellence. It's evident that Bugatti's legacy remains ever bold, casting a golden glow that will resonate through time.